Hey, Lee Cole here. Before you do anything else, subscribe to my channel. Also, there's a little bell icon by the subscribe button. Click or touch that, and then you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is at least every day. There's a ton of content on this channel. Better stuff than 99.9% of the stuff that you pay money for, except this is even better because it's free. So, we're talking about offline marketing. We talked about what it is. We talked about you assessing your skill set, your likes and dislikes, and trying to figure out what you can bring to the party. The next thing you need to do is you need to get set up for business. And believe it or not, there's really not all that much stuff that you need. You probably need a basic website. You know, I almost hate to mention that because I know that people get really caught up, like they overthink and overanalyze the website. I'm talking about WordPress, whatever, you know, like yourname.com or yournamebusinessconsultant.com, something like that. You need a home page, you need a contact me page, you need an about page. That's about it. You need one more page, which I'm going to tell you about in a second, but that's about it on the website. Except for one thing, and that leads me into item number 3. You need examples of what you do, okay? So let's say that you're like me, you love to write, okay? So you want to help businesses set themselves up so that they're doing their email marketing right, help them with press release marketing, help rewrite their landing pages and stuff like that. Well, you need some freaking examples of that. What if you don't have those? You're just getting started. Well, if you can write, go write a press release. You don't know how to write a press release? Then you can easily Google that and write a pretty good press release. I mean, go to prweb.com. They got like 40 million examples of excellent press releases. You know, I mean, don't copy it word for word and claim it for your own, but see how those are written, write one, put it online as an example. You want to do video marketing, so gosh, have some examples of videos that you made. Maybe you're making those whiteboard videos. Well, you should have some whiteboard videos up there. Mobile marketing's not that hot anymore because really websites became so responsive that that's not really a deal anymore. But you know, if you're doing something that's like okay, well, website design, well, then you need to have a link to a website that's a business-oriented website. You can make up a fictitious business, okay? So dentist, whatever, all right? So, and then you just totally trick that website out with all the cool stuff that you know how to do if you're interested in website design, and use that as your example of what you can do for your clients. Video SEO. I got a lot of friends who do video SEO, ranking videos. Well, you better have some videos ranked. That's going to look really cool, and you would explain that on your product page when you tell people, hey, I can rank videos for you. Yeah, wow, how does that happen? Well, look, go to this page, let me send you a link, look there, and you just explain to them, you know, here's the keyword, get on a different browser, you know, search that keyword, you're going to see the video ranked. Okay, so you need proof. You need proof of what you can do. A couple of reasons that you need that. One, it massively increases your confidence, number one. But number two, it makes it so much easier to sell. You're not asking someone to believe you. You're not asking someone to believe in some abstract whatever. You're just showing them. You're just saying, hey, I can do this for you. I did this for that other person. Or here's an example. If you're just getting started, here's an example of what I can do. And, you know, that's what you need to get started. You also need a way to get paid. PayPal is a perfect way to get paid. People often ask me, Lee, do I need to set up an LLC and stuff like that? Probably, but you don't need to wait on that. I'm not a lawyer, so I can't give you legal advice. You need to seek some legal advice on that. You know, if you want to minimize your taxes, you need to seek some tax advice on that. But, you know, I'm a big believer in not waiting to get started. With a PayPal business account, you can start accepting payments right now from people. All right, they don't even have to pay you online. You can get one of those things that fits into your phone and just swipe their card. So like if you're doing local marketing so that you're focusing on your geographic area, and just pull out your phone and you know, just charge them that amount of money. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with any of this. Get going. Method of payment. Somehow you need to accept money. You need that. You need a basic website. If you're going to some types of prospecting, I love to go to network meetings. Some types of prospecting, you do need business cards. You can make a brain dead simple business card online and have it mailed to your house or your apartment or wherever you stay. That's it, guys. That is literally it. Simple, simple, simple to get going. So get all that in place, and we'll check out what the next steps you need to take on the next video.